What's going on, guys? Anthony come back at you here with another one of these. Another box of 2016-2017 Select Soccer. Really enjoyed my last break of this, so I wanted to do another one. Really like this product. And yeah, so I hope everybody's doing well. As you can tell, I kind of lost my voice the other day. It's been gone for a couple days now. Feel fine, it's just no voice. So, just like last time, it's one autograph and two memorabilia cards per box on average, as well as 3 numbered inserts. So, let's get started. I'm just going to go right through the base cards. First, Lucas Peace check. First pack, just like last time, got a hit in our first pack. There's a hit in the first pack this time. Lucas Peace check. Jersey card with a pinstripe in there. Got some color here. Or is it just the standard refractor? Yep, standard refractor of David Alaba. Bolo field level. Cristiano Ronaldo, National Pride. Very nice to match the Messi that I pulled. I pulled the Messi and the Cristiano Ronaldo National Pride. Very cool. Cristiano Ronaldo insert. Don't know if that was, they just call, I think they call them just the multicolor prism. There's only like one multicolor prism in this, multicolored parallel in this product, unlike prism where there's like 20. This is Marco Verratti jersey as our other relic. Very nice. Italian International. So far the relics weren't as nice as the last one, though. Cristiano Ronaldo relic. So we got our die cut here. Ashley Williams, blue. Numbered out of 249. Benedict Howardis jersey card. So we got 3 jersey cards in this. Hopefully that doesn't take away one of our autographs. That would suck. We got 3 jersey cards. Another German. Who's this? Jakob Blaszczykowski. Jakob Blaszczykowski. That's the correct terminology for that one. Finally got a Marco Reus card. Marco Reus base card. Hector Moreno, orange, numbered out of 75. Suarez, numbered out of 75 something. Arturo Vidal, is that our autograph? It is indeed our autograph. Very nice autograph of Arturo Vidal, numbered out of 75. Much nicer autograph this time. Robbie Keane, multicolor. Oh, Robbie Keane, multicolor and base in the same pack. Multicolor of no clue that is. And our last pack, this should be our last numbered card. If not, that's right, we did get 3 relics. So, Darlington Nagbe on the back from the U.S. International. It looks like, oh, that looks like a tie-dye. Another tie-dye. Who do we got? Brillambolo. Brillambolo tie-dye. Very promising youngster for Schalke. He did very nice here. Very nice card. Another tie-dye. And then Darlington Nagbe, one of the U.S. stars. Nice insert there on the back. So, once again, nothing crazy, but overall very solid box. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thanks for watching.